Well, I took several pictures, but I think video may be easier. This right here is Simpson black seed lettuce. Over here we've got bell peppers, but I've only got one that's come up. Here's a few more here. Then over here we have coastal star lettuce. I think it's just getting the true leaves on here. The bell peppers, again, waiting for those to come up there. Here's new red fire leaf lettuce here. We've got Detroit dark red beets here. And on the left there are big beef tomatoes. So back here we've got the broccoli. These are Pac-Man broccoli. Then here's the big beef tomatoes. They're looking really good. I don't know that any of these have any true leaves yet. And we've got Annalise and Hawaiian Tropic, tomatoes which really haven't come up. The early girl tomatoes are looking good. Tumbling Tom. There we are. Tumbling Tom tomatoes right here. We've got King Arthur bell peppers, which we really like. Those are just coming up there. The black cherry tomatoes aren't coming up, but the giant delicious have all germinated. And then here's a shot of the whole box. Kind of give you an idea of what we're looking at.